Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Celestial Space Fact. In this video, we will know about Celestron CPC Deluxe 1100 HD. Let's get started. These are the computerized Celestron microscope. Its aperture is 280 mm and focal length is 2800 mm. Motorized, yes. Mount type ALT azimuth. Overall, we are starting this list of review with CPC Deluxe 1100 HD, a computerized beast made by Celestron, one of the most reputable telescope brands. This beautiful telescope designed for those seeking for top-notch optical quality and the ultimate astronomy experience, but don't need to worry about a budget. It's also a great option for those into astrophotography when you pair it with HD Pro accessory. This telescope was designed with the deep sky astrophotography in mind. The motors can track accurately for long exposure, delivering incredible images with great detail. That is why it is also our pick in our best telescope for astrophotography guide. This was late astrophysicist Stephen Hawking telescope choice for his home in Ambridge. Now let's see about the mount. This telescope comes with a heavy-duty stainless steel tripod into a go-to motorized dual-arm fork. The kind of tripod and mount you would expect for such a heavy telescope. Once everything is set to you have a nice and sturdy base that can handle all the weight without a problem. Computer. The telescope features Skyline software technology for a quick alignment, and the provided computer comes with a database with over 40,000 celestial objects and generates a list of best objects currently visible, helping you locate anything you could possibly imagine. The hand holder is really simple to operate and ideal to focus only in the observing experience. Now come the aperture. With a generous aperture of 280 mm or 11 inches, has great light gathering power, making it a powerful telescope ideal to observe nebulas and galaxies. Portability. Maybe the Achilles heel of this telescope. This is a big tool that weighs 30 kgs. Of course, it's ergonomically designed to be able to handle it by only one person, but if you are looking for something easier to travel with, this is not your choice. Then comes the focal length. CPC Deluxe 1100 provides a 2800 mm focal length or f/10. This long focal length lets you get really detailed view of bright objects of our solar system without the need for complex eyepieces. The Celestron CPC Deluxe is also available with aperture of 9.25 and 8 inches, bringing the cost and weight down while maintaining the core features. Optics 99%, mount 99%, quality 98%. Pros and cons. Pros: great 11-inch aperture, high quality optics, excellent mount, 4000 celestial object database, perfect for distant nebulas and galaxies. And the cons are it's quite heavy, not budget friendly. I hope you like this video and get to know about Celestial CPC Deluxe 1100 HD computerized telescope. We are We are coming with more computerized series soon, day by day. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving to Celestial Space Facts, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Celestial Space Facts. Love, love. Have a nice day and a happy new year, everyone.